Since activists from the Upper Springfield area established the Bluebell Festival in 2017 on the core principles of community, solidarity and well-being. This inspiring grassroots festival has grown significantly. Féile na Gluigeanna Gorma, a local festival, now stands on the international stage. Féile na Gluigeanna Gorma will continue to follow in the footsteps of the previous generations of pioneers in this community who established the festival culture. As the 1973 festival described it, a festival is a very happy event. At times, many of us thought we would never be able to celebrate again, but people share most in times of trouble. The festival is a morale booster, a cooperative effort. Those who are together for this festival will stay together for much more to come.